Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Today we are going to solve not a coolest question, because if you see the like and dislike ratio, I think this is one of the worst question of the lead code. I don't know, like I've never seen two this much dislikes till now in any questions. Okay, so like I see the dislike, but not this amount. So we will do it, and I add it to the list as well. So if you have not checked this list, just check in the description. It's only for you guys. All right, let me just open my whiteboard and see what we can do. Okay, all right, here we go. All right, so what the question is then, let's just look at the first question. Write a function to delete a node in a single linked list. You will not given the access to the head of the list. Instead of you will give given access to the node to be deleted directly. Okay, so what this question is, like they did not give the access to its head, so we don't know like where the head is of this node. We just only have given the direct access to the given node. So let's say we have to remove this node, so they just give the direct access to this node. Okay, so it is a guarantee that a node to be deleted is not a tail node. Okay, so they give one more condition, like we have two conditions. So we don't know the head, and the tail one cannot ever not be deleted in any test case. Okay, so it means like the deleted one should be present between the head and tail. Okay, that's only the thing we know. All right, so I don't know like why this question got too many hairs, but I think for the interview purpose might be, let's see. We will go to the discussion section of this question, but before that, let's solve this question. So that's the question similarly. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So what we will gonna do? So we just have node over here. So what I will do is very simple. So let's say I have to, let's say my node.val. If I am on that value, then what I will do, I will go to its next value. I will go to next value. So what I'll say node dot next dot val. All right. Okay. Now one last step. Yes, believe me, this is the another last step. So now what do you have to do? I have to point, like, I am on, I have to remove this node. So what will happen? Like this, the node address, this one is changed. So I have to change this address so that it can start pointing on this one. So for that one, what I will do, I will simply say node dot next equals to node dot next dot next. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is all what we have to do in this question. So let me just run this one as well, and we will see any compilation error. I don't know, like we will see any compilation error in this one. And here we go. So is submitting. Let me submit this one so I can tell you time complexity and space complexity. So in this one, you see it's going 100% as too much fast. So like in this test, I go a little bit more faster. You see the memory use. So it depends on the Leetcode server. Okay, the server on the Leetcode. The load server on, like load on the server on Leetcode. Okay, or whatever. So let's talk about time complexity. Time complexity is big of 1, and space complexity is big of 1 as well. Because like we are not using any extra spaces, we just have to simply remove this. So no extra time is dealing with that. We are just not going to the number of node, or actually that's the bigger complexity is. And let me show it to you the discussion tab over here. Let's see what people are writing over here. If we go to the most nodes, so in the starting time, I just check, might be this is the kind of a something question, like might be this is the answer, this is a good answer. I just click on this one. I say why Leetcode accept this to view, and then I see this guy literally written this thing. This question is stupid, should be deleted immediately, and he got 757 likes. Impressive, bro. Okay, so there are people are saying like I was a candidate of doing correctness and all that shit, but this guy literally write the correct thing. He's like, instead of criticizing, like they are trolling this question. Seriously, they're trolling this question on Leetcode. Instead of criticizing the guide name, let's analyze why this problem is not a good interview question. Okay, so let's just not understand what he's saying. So he's saying the whole point of asking a candidate and link this problem is to test if the candidate thinks about edge cases included. Okay, so he's saying like the whole point of to ask the link list question in the interview, like the interview wants to know what kind of test case you think, like what the edge test you think, like in which your code will definitely gonna fail, or like your code will not run in this test case, like that. So now he's saying like differencing null pointer, usually targeting tail pointer when given head is none, they don't given head, and when there are duplications in the list. Okay, the question specifically mention all about edge cases and someone. So I mean, like this guy literally just I find he's like that's it. Good thing, all of them they are just trolling this question. So okay, let's go back. And they just are talking about this thing only. Okay, so let me show it to you the perfect one. So like it's It's going like 93% in 97% for the memory usage, you see, and what's the it's going 100% for that uh, runtime. Runtime is, sorry, we do not have enough acceptance, but it's going 100% runtime. So believe it. Okay, so all right, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for this question. So like we just did it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I don't think so. Like you will have any doubt in this one, but if you still have, just do let me know in the comment section. And thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care, bye bye, and I love you guys. Take care, bye bye.